Are you sleeping?
Wake up! I think you snap your fingers or something.
Wake up.
Hey, you!
What you doing?
Come on.
Oh.
Hi there.
Hi. What are you doing?
Messing
Chewy,
around?
get out of the way.
I love you.
Well, Chewy, get down.
Okay.
You want
You're all
something to
well.
eat?
Okay.
Are you hungry?
The-
Chewy says, I'm hungry.
uh,
Here, have something to eat. Here. Is that good? You want more?
Later.
Okay.
Later. He wants to just
Sleeping
sleep.
again.
Lazy bird. Oh.
What do you think's up?
I called him a lazy bird.
Lazy bird.
Are you a lazy bird?
Yeah, big birdie.
Did you hear him, Mom? I said, are you a lazy bird? He's all,
No, not me.
I like how he blinks his eyes when you pet him. Like,
Oh,
you know,
like he's
you
real,
really
yeah.
would.
That's crazy.
I can't see you.
Talking to you.
Talking to you.
What you doing? Chewy. My gosh. Stay there.
Chilling.
Chilling.
Chilling. Are you
Hanging
good?
around.
Hanging around.
Like you. You're a good birdie.
Are you hungry?
You want something to eat?
Talking to you.
Well, okay, I know you're talking, but are you hungry? That's what I want to know if you want something to eat. Here. Have something to eat. Yeah, pretty good, huh? You didn't know you were so hungry. Here, have some more. Eat it. Listen, you. There you go. Okay, you're not hungry right now, are you? You're not hungry. You're a good birdie. You're a real good birdie, aren't you?
Feed me.
Feed me.
Hey.
Why you X?
Here you go.
Mamie? You coming?
That better? Hmm? You're a heck of a bird.
That's
Who
so
you
cool.
calling pretty? I'm hungry.
Again? Here. Yeah, pretty good, huh? Like giving you a little rolled up
Are
balls.
you?
Again? You're a lazy bird. Lazy bird. Hello. What you doing? Are you being a
Good
dilly?
night.
Again? I guess I woke him up too soon, huh? Hey, you can't go to sleep so soon. Chewy, get out of the way. Let him sleep. He's a sleepy bird. Sleeping. Yes. Hey, wake
Let
up.
him stop.
Come on. Hello.
Hi there.
Hi there.
Pretty
Okay.
bird.
I know you're a pretty bird, but I'm going to turn you off now and save your batteries, okay? You like that? Huh?
Putting the batteries in?
What do you want?
I want to save your batteries so they don't go dead, okay?
Ready? Yeah. Hanging around.
I know you are. Chewy, look out. I can't see what I'm doing.
What
Turkey.
you doing?
I